friends, today we are doing a jot thought activity, okay? So for jot thoughts, we are going to follow the procedure, say it, write it, place it. So in order to do jot thoughts, the first thing you're going to need to do is get pieces of paper. Now, these might come out of a basket full of note cards if I have them available. If those are not available, you know where the copy paper is, and go grab a piece of copy paper. Each of you will grab a piece of copy paper. In order to do this, though, I want you to pause the video and go grab the piece of copy paper. So pause. Now, I want you to rip up the piece of copy paper into about 8 pieces. So rip it in half, then rip it in half again, then rip it in half again. Now, you want them to be about this big. Okay? If you can rip them in half again, go for it. But don't feel like you have to, and don't make them teeny tiny, because you do have to write on them, and I have to read them. So don't make them teeny tiny. Once you have ripped up pieces of paper, you share them in the middle with your whole group. Then you are going to discuss the topic of the day. Today the topic is conductors and insulators. So you are coming up with materials that are good conductors and insulators. So you are going to, again, say your idea, write it down, then place it. And then someone else will say an idea, write it down, and place it. And we go in a counterclockwise motion. I will tell you the starting person, and then you will continue in that pattern. Okay? Just come up with as many ideas you can that you think will warm up something or keep the warmth in, meaning a conductor or an insulator. As we're going through this material, I'm just making sure I'm checking my board to make sure I've got all the facts. So keep in mind that this is on the board and you can check it yourself. But at the end, we're going to cover the table with slips so that all our ideas are spread out amongst the table and you can see them all for yourself. And then you can use those ideas when you're coming up for your new project making a solar oven. Okay? I can't wait to do this activity with you. At this point, I want you to close your Chromes, and then it'll show me that you're ready to do the jot thought activity, and we will all get started together. All right, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.